did they hear Trump's challenge to stop those injunctions, but they ruled today that no longer could courts issue nationwide injunctions to stop these executive orders. This means they gave a green light to Trump shredding the Constitution. People are being kidnapped off the streets by ICE Gestapo in masks. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people. They are showing up in the middle of downtown LA. They are showing up at courthouses across the country. They are showing up at people's homes. They are showing up in restaurants, and they are kidnapping people off the streets, throwing people to the ground, beating people, arresting U.S. citizens, arresting anybody who dares to speak out against it. Don't tell me that's not fascism. That is the installation of a fascist America, literally stripping the right of children born in this country to be citizens. It will make stateless people, people that have no rights as citizens anywhere in the world. This is a nightmare. And this order doesn't only affect this immediate question of birthright citizenship, it affects any rights, any orders. And Trump got up after this order was issued and he did a press conference. There was a fascist, disgusting celebration victory lap and said, now we're going for all of it. The only recourse to stop this, we should learn this from this, what happened today, is not going to be the courts, is not going to be any of the normal mechanisms, but is going to be millions of us in the streets in nonviolent protest, determined, sustained, growing in numbers, demanding the whole fascist regime must go now. Regime has to be driven from power. The ways in which people have done this around the world, from Egypt to South Korea, when millions get in the streets and say the tyrant must go, the dictator must go, the fascist must go, the regime must go, that has to become our demand right now. Where millions of us are in the streets across this country, in the Capitol and everywhere in this country, in determined protest. July 4th, come to Washington, D.C., be in the Capitol, march to the White House, 2 p.m. Logan Circle. We are marching to the White House to declare, in the name of humanity, our independence from Trump's fascist America. We are marching to the White House to make our voices heard everywhere they can be heard in the world, as loud as we can be, the biggest chant ever, the demand. Trump must go now. Trump must go now.
Trump must go now.
Trump must